William G. Mays. I was trying to help plant a more stable minority business community so more Black-owned businesses would participate in the growth of Indianapolis. William G. Mays was born in Indiana in 1946. His father was a chemistry professor. Mays earned degrees in chemistry and business from Indiana University. In 1980, Mays started his own company. Today, Mays Chemical Company provides chemicals to the food and beverage, automotive, and pharmaceutical industries. Mays also owns the Indianapolis Recorder, the fourth oldest African American newspaper in the country. Over the years, Mays has used his success to give back to the community. He serves on the boards of many organizations, including the United Way of Central Indiana, the Indiana University Foundation, and the Indianapolis Chamber of Commerce. He works to encourage minority-owned businesses. Time: 1946 was when Mays was born. 1973, Mays graduates from Indiana University with a master's degree. 1980, Mays starts Mays Chemical Company. 1994, Mays is awarded the Indianapolis Education Association's Human Rights Award. The common good. I want my agents, saleswomen, to feel that their first duty is to humanity. Madam C.J. Walker. Successful entrepreneurs often improve their communities. They work for the common good or the good of everyone in the community. Indiana has a proud history of entrepreneurs who have helped their local communities. Eli Lilly presented ideas to Indianapolis for creating a water supply to the city. The Ball brothers provided money for Ball Memorial Hospital and Ball State University in Muncie. Madam C.J. Walker also shared her success by helping her community. She gave money to charity groups and to Indiana's schools. She built a center for the arts in downtown Indianapolis. Madam Walker attended the opening ceremony for a YMCA in Indianapolis she gave money to help build. The Walker Theater in Indianapolis was started by Walker before she died in 1919. Walker's daughter went on to finish the project. Like Madam Walker, you can work for the common good of your community. This work can be something quite simple. For example, you might shovel the snow from your sidewalk so that your neighbors can walk more easily. Young people in Indiana are eager to volunteer in ways that help their community. Some youth groups volunteer to help clean up neighborhood parks or beaches. Others may help by recycling goods that can be used again, such as plastic, newspapers, and aluminum cans. Some students donate their time to help other students with their homework. All these things contribute to the common good and make Indiana a better place to live. Community centers provide for the common good of Hoosiers. Make it relevant. Why do you think people have a responsibility to work for the common good? Working for the common good. A young boy, Wright, volunteers to help build homes for the poor. Recycling, below, is another way that students can help in their communities.